Now, I am Manoj Kumar, maths teacher of class 5. Here we discussed here we discussed about large numbers of chapter 3. And in this chapter we will discuss about many topics. These topics are order relations, ascending order and descending order. In previous class we have discussed about the Indian place value chart, place value and face value, and how can we get the successor and predecessor of each number according to Indian place value chart. In this chapter, in this chapter we also discussed about the some topics: order relation, ascending order and descending order. Now, first topic is what is the order relation. In order to compare two numbers, we adopt the following rules. Firstly, rule 1, the number with more digit is more than the number with less digit. If we compare the any two numbers, which number is greater and which number is lesser, to find we will discuss about rule 1. The number with more digits is more than the number with less digit. There is a examples. We will try to understand from these examples. Here is how this numbers. Here is also another numbers. Now count the digit. Firstly, we count the digit: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here is a 9 digit, and second number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and second number has 7 digit. Now here is 9 digit. 9 digit greater than 7 digit. 9 digit and a 7 digit. Now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or is 3, 3 is 6 and 1, 7. 7 digit. 9 digit is greater than the 7 digit. So this number is larger. Once again, this is another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 8 digit. Or here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here is 9 digit. 9 digit is larger than the 8 digit. So this number is the larger. And you understand order relation. In order to compare two numbers, we adopt the following rules. Rule 1. Firstly, we see the rule 1. Here is the according to digit, which number has the more digit, or then the number will be greater. Now next is a second rule. What is the second rule here? Second rule, the number with the same digit. What will happen if the number has same digit? Here is the examples: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number has 7 digit. How many digits are here? 7 digit. This has 7 digit, and this is also has 7 digit. Here is 7 digits. GIT 7 digits, and this also has how many digit has 7 digit. 7 7 digits. Both have same number, same digits. So how can we compare them? We can compare them according to these rules. First, compare the digit at the leftmost place. Which digit is the leftmost place in this? 4. There is also 4. If they are equal in values, yes, here is also equal in values, 4 and 4. Then we compare the second digit from the left. So here is 8, and here is the, in second case, in the second digit from the left, here we see both are same. Then continue until you come across unequal digit, and that means we go to the third digit. Here is 9, here is 8. We find 9 is greater than 8. Here we see 9 is greater than 8. So, in this way, we can find the smallest and larger number. In this way, 4, 8, 9, 7, 5, 6, 1 is larger. So, that means we can write here in this way, 4, 8, 9, 7, 5, 6, 1 is larger than this number. Now, once again, we compare um, these numbers according to these rules. First, compare the digit at the leftmost place in both the numbers. If you want to compare any two numbers, firstly we uh, we compare the numbers according to rule 1. But if the rules 1 is failed, then how can the rule for 1 is failed? When the two numbers has same digit. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7 digit, and this number also has 7 digit. Now to go to root 2. First compare the digit at the leftmost place. Now 4 and 4 are both are the same. And now go to the second digit. Second digit also same, but here is 9 and here is 8. 9 is different from the 8, and now compare 9 and 8. When we compare 9 and 8, then we find 9 is greater than the 8. So whole numbers, and this numbers is greater than this number. In this way, we can find the larger numbers. Now, next topic is ascending order. What is the ascending order? When a set of numbers arranged from smallest to the greatest. When a set of numbers, here is the set of numbers, go to the smallest to the greatest, they are set to ascending order. You have also discussed the ascending and descending order in class 4 and class 3, but in this class, the numbers here larger. Now, how can we compare? We can compare these numbers according to smallest to the greatest. Firstly, we write the smallest number, and after that, 87. 87 is the greater than 6, and 895 is greater than 87, and 6542 is greater than 895, and now 3000 32,589 is greater than this number. In this way, we can write the number from smallest to the greatest. 6 is the smallest, and this number is the greatest. Or in same way, um, we can write the second examples. Here is the smallest number, or here is the greatest number. Or now, these are the examples of the larger digit. Here is the smallest digit, and this is the greatest digit. This digit, this number is the greatest than this, and this number is greater than this, and this number is greater than this, and this number is greater than this. In this way, we can write the any number in ascending order. Now next topic is descending order. How can we write the number in descending order? Greatest to the smallest. Firstly, we write the greatest number, and lastly the smallest number. Now, first, what is descending order? When a set of numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest, they are said to be in descending order. These are the greatest number. This is the smaller than this number. This number is smaller than this number. This number is smaller than this number. And now, second example here. And this is the question: 75569, 7523, 7512, 7500. This is the greatest number among this set of among these numbers, and this is the smallest number among these numbers. Now, similarly, these are the another example, and now this is the another example of descending order. In this way, we can arrange the number in descending order. Now, thank you for watching my video. Thanks.